Looking for irrigation system installation and design in Edmonton? At Kingstree Plumbing, we provide expert irrigation solutions to keep your lawn green and healthy while maximizing water efficiency. Our custom irrigation systems ensure even water distribution, eliminating dry spots and reducing waste. Whether you need a new installation or an upgrade, we specialize in residential and commercial sprinkler systems designed for Edmonton's unique landscape and climate. With precision installation and expert design, we create efficient, low-maintenance irrigation systems that save you time and lower your utility costs. Want a greener, hassle-free lawn? Trust Kingstree Plumbing for expert irrigation system installation and design in Edmonton. Contact us today to get started.